Hello, today we will demonstrate the new functionality of Typhoon HIL Control Center. Starting from software version 2021.2, you are able to activate windowed mode of subpanels inside HIL SCADA application. This feature is especially useful for complex microgrid and power systems models. To demonstrate it, let's load the standard plug-and-play microgrid example which is coming with the software installation. Up until now you were able only to go inside SCADA subpanels. This will populate the whole SCADA canvas, resulting in inability to send commands, or to read signals with the widgets in the other panel subsystems. From now on, subpanels can now work in two modes, windowed and embedded mode. Those modes can be changed by choosing the desired mode in the context menu, accessed by right-clicking on the subpanel widget. When windowed mode is selected, subpanel canvas will automatically be put in the separate window. As for root panel window, you have options to zoom out, zoom in, restore to default zoom level, or zoom the canvas to best fit. Nice feature in multi-screen setups is option to toggle full screen mode, which can also be done by pressing F11 on your keyboard. As any other window, subpanel window can be resized, minimized or closed. If you switch back to embedded mode, subpanel will keep its usual behavior. To demonstrate this feature, let's switch first three subpanels to windowed mode. Now, we can easily distribute them into several screens. When simulation is started, we can see how it is easy to observe behavior in different subsystems of our microgrid. At the end, it is worth mentioning that with saving SCADA panel, you are saving the whole panel layout, including size and position of all the windows. This means that every time you open the panel you can continue to work with your preferable panel layout. If you have any additional questions or topics that you would like us to cover, let us know in comments. Thank you for watching.